And welcome to the CompSkill video series. We're going to continue on our theme of creating clean data in Excel, and in this short video we're going to talk about Excel's proper function. Excel's proper function is from the text from the text group of functions, and very simply what it's used for is creating text strings using a proper or a uppercase capital letter to begin with, and we would commonly use this for things like names. And so as you can see in my example, I've got a bunch of names here and they all have different upper and lowercase text presentation, which is really messy. So simply we're going to enter the proper function. So like every function, we start with an equal sign and then we start typing P for proper, RO, and we should see it on our list. Double click to get to it. Now we're going to open the function editor by clicking on our FX as we do, just so we can see. It's got one argument, and that's a text argument, and the explanation says simply converts a text string to proper case. So we'll put in our A3, and we can see from the sample here we go from Shirley, all capital, lowercase, I beg your pardon, to Shirley with an uppercase first letter. And if we copy this down, we notice that it does exactly that to each of those. So Jose at the bottom gets a capital G and all the rest are lowercase. So that's Excel proper function, part of the Excel cleaning data series, or part of CompSkill's cleaning data series. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.